Hey guys, I'm showing you this 55-inch computer desk with the 4 drawers, gaming desk with the LED lights and a power outlet. So this can be used in a home office desk with a large storage space for bedroom work from home or anything. So these are all the unboxing and the power outlet, LED lights, all the screws with marked A B C D, and the tools like the screwdriver and the wrench. So the process is all explained in the manual, so I will just try to do it pretty fast to save the video time. So all the marks are there on these parts, and then all the screws are also marked, so you have to just use and do it. So yeah, installation is pretty easy with all the supplied tools, and I'm just doing it. This is the middle part. The side part, I just put all this desk in a place. So drawers is the fabric drawers with the solid like handle. This is the top for the monitors with the outlet. This is the LED light, and this is a USB LED light that you can put. So I'm putting it under the desk, so I can use it as a reading light or as a night lamp as well. So you can stick it anywhere you want, you like. So for me it's under this, and this is the whole table. So you can use or put all these 4 drawers in one side if you want, and these are the LED lights. So these 4 drawers can be on the one side, and then you can do so these are the bright LED lights that you can control through the remote, and then have fun with these lights and while playing or while doing your stuff. So I put the monitors, I just put all the things in the outlet, keyboard, mouse and everything, and this looks really nice and very storage space.